What's up, everybody? I'm going to make a video today on another tool that I use, a little trick of the trade. It's called banterbubbles.com. Okay, for crypto, this is a good one to use to see what's moving for the week, for the day. I'd stay away from this hex. That's just my personal opinion, not financial advice, but you got to know which ones to follow, which ones to stay away from. I just don't like the guy that's behind it. He just seems shady to me. He seems like a compulsive liar, in my opinion. He could be a super nice guy, but I just don't like the guy. There's just something about him that, I don't know. My intuition says stay away from him, but so I'm listening to my own gut on him because he's just a jerk. I don't know. He's just an arrogant. Anyway, I don't want to get into that. But for the week, I think this is a good tool to see what is outperforming Bitcoin. So the way to use it, I set it on a weekly. You can log in if you want. It ties into your Twitter. You can download the app if you want to on your phone. It's a pretty good tool, though. You go to your settings, and by default, it'll be on USD. Okay, so set to the pair, like CAS, USD, based in US dollars. So everything's pretty much green today on the up and up, but if you want to see what's outperforming Bitcoin, you select that to Bitcoin right here on your settings. You change your currency to Bitcoin instead of USD, and that's going to tell you all these ones that are lit up in green with a positive percent number, they're outperforming Bitcoin. Ruin is having a pretty good day. SUI, TIA, OP, TAO, this FLR, TKX, HBAR, BTT, Beam. It's flat. CAS is a beast. That thing, man, it just when it gets hot, this thing. I made some good money on the last run on CAS. STX, there again. So that's the name of the game. If you want to make more money than you can just putting your money into Bitcoin, this is one way to tell what's moving. So now you go over here to this FLR dash. I use USDT pairing. I use this broker right here. You may or may not have to use a VPN if you're based in the United States. You might want to double check that. I'm not really going to get into that, but so now this flare, it's a little tricky. All right, it's already ran up to a 9 count on a weekly basis. It ran pretty much October to December like everything else did. And the bull run didn't really correct a whole lot, which indicates that it's pretty strong. You throw Ichimoku on it. It doesn't have enough data to really build out the Ichimoku correctly. It's starting to accumulate the Ichimoku pattern. It's starting to draw your cloud over here in the future for July, but so I don't know. You've got a down week this week. It's down 7.5%. So I'm kind of struggling with this one. I don't know exactly where to bid this one. So I don't know. Sometimes you're better off just leave stuff alone. If it doesn't look like a layup, slam dunk, sometimes you're better off just leave it alone. And I don't know anything about it. I don't know what it does. I could research it on CoinMarketCap. You come over here, FLR, Flare's the name of it. You can look at the all-time high. It's been as high as 4.5 cents back in January of 23. Market cap, almost $1 billion market cap already. Fully diluted is $2 billion, almost $3 billion, $2.9 billion. I don't know. That's a little excessive, I think. There's probably better places to put your money, in my opinion. All right, connect everything. Flare's a blockchain for data, higher integrity. If you knew how to build on it, you could build on it. It's EVM based layer 1 blockchain. Who knows? This could be the next best thing since sliced bread. But if you don't know how to, build on this stuff, how to verify, all right, it's got scalable smart contracts. It's got bridging capabilities, Web 2 connectivity. Maybe it's great, but I just prefer buying the ones that don't have, that are below $1 billion in market cap, fully diluted. So, like I say, this thing could be the next Solana for all I know, but it could be the next Ethereum or Solana or who knows. But I don't know. I'll probably just take it off my list because for the most part, if it's already at $1 billion market cap, it's almost a $3 billion market cap. So, what could it do? You might double your money. You might 3x your money. Who knows? Well, I'm going to take my bid off of it. I canceled my bid on XRP also. Just for the simple mathematics. There again, it's a perfect setup. If you want a pretty sure thing, that's about as close as you're going to get on the market. But, all right, so where could it go? It's been as high as $3 back in 2018. 21, that was April. You hit $1.80. You're at 53 cents now. So I could easily see $1. It could probably come back up to $2. Here again, you're looking at a $52 billion company. Now this one does have a lot of usage on it. It's obviously highly used to wire money with because it is fairly fast. It's not the fastest. Solana, I think, is still one of the top 2 fast coins. Could it, what could it do in a short period of time? I don't know. I had a bid on it. I was going to play it, and I still might put it back on, but it's got a perfect 9 count. Your daily looks good. It's on a 2-bar coming up. I love to play these on a 4-hour pullback. That's some of the easiest money on the planet right there. You throw your Fibonacci right here, throw your bid in right here at these levels, 51.75, 51.48. I think that's a pretty sure thing. I'm just running out of money on coins that I can buy. I've got a lot of bids in, hoping for little 4-hour pullbacks. So I'm having to, do some picking and choosing of which ones I think are the best opportunity. I don't know. I guess I go ahead and put it back in. By 7.5, I'm gonna be at 1,500 there, and then I'm gonna make another bid at 5,148. Might as well round that up to 50. 5,150. And let's put another 1,500. What am I doing? No. What I do there? 5,150. And we're gonna put 1,500 in that one. Boom. All right, so I got my XRP bids back in. I had to raise it just a smidge because I had it off of this 2-bar on the Fibonacci, and you made a higher high on this 3-bar, so I had to raise it up to there. Not a big deal. I mean, it's a micro pennies, but if you're gonna bid it, you might as well get the best price you can, relatively as good as you can get it. Let me put a blue. Yeah, there we go. That's how I manage everything. So everything I've got it on this light blue is ones that I have bids on. Everything that's in purple, I'm already in it. So you can select that. And select your color code if you want to, but you can do whatever you like, whatever works good for you. My orange list is stuff that's pretty hot. It's not exactly perfect for a bid yet. Like you take this Hello coin, on a weekly chart, you're still below your weekly trend line, so I don't like that. I'd rather not get involved in anything. I don't want to buy anything that's on a 4 count, -4, because that could go down. That could go down another 5 weeks, and I don't want to be sitting underwater for 5 weeks. This axle, and it's actually broken above. I didn't have an alert on that. It's broken above out of your weekly downtrend. So that one there is pretty interesting right now to me. So there again, now I've got to decide whether to play XRP or buy this one. So in my personal opinion, I think this one will go up a lot more than XRP. On a daily, that's on a 3-bar. You haven't got above your cloud yet, but so you go to a 4-hour. I kind of missed the boat on that one. Let's see. Probably throw it right there to there. So nearly everything, if it's starting to heat up, I've noticed you're getting a 382 pullback on this Fibonacci. Let me just take that Ichimoku off, and let me turn these off so I can make sure I'm getting exactly where I want to be on this. Yeah, that's right on that 1-bar to here. So it looks like I missed the pullback on this one. And I believe it's already broken out above your previous high. So I would probably bid this $1.10 on this axle. It's called XLR. You can get it on this broker if you want to. I think you could probably buy it on MetaMask. We could double check on that. Let's see, XLR. That's it. Let's see, all-time highs. It's made a new high back in December. Went up to $1.20. It's at $1.10 now. Yeah, You're already at a 1.2 billion market cap. That's fully diluted. 621 million actual market cap right now. So you've obviously got some lockup here. You're about halfway diluted. So I don't like that. But anyway, let's look at the markets where you can buy it. You can get it on this broker. I'm not sure if they're available in the U.S. or not. You got it .io, so that's probably Singapore. You can't get it on Coinbase. Let's see, Pancake Swap. Yeah, you can get it on Uniswap. So you could probably get it through MetaMask wallet if you wanted to. There's the Mexi, BitGet, CoinX. So you can get it several different places, but Sushi, Swap, Kuji, Kyber, Kraken, Osmosis. What else? Where can you get it? Crypto.com has it. That's definitely U.S. Some of these new ones, I never have used any of these, so I don't know. I'm thinking about throwing in a bid on it. Like I said, I probably bid this 110 somewhere in the next 4 hours. You might retest that 410. I just like the setup on it. It's a breakout of a weekly downtrend. Now it could come back next week, and retest this 4-week moving average, but so you might get a little better price down here around this 97 to $1. That's what I'm looking at. I think I'm gonna throw in a $1.10 bid on it. Let's see. I think I'm gonna cancel that XRP out and buy that. So anyway, I just want to show y'all the banner bubble thing. It's pretty good to use it. If you click on it, it shows you which brokers are available to buy it right here. Tells you the name of it. You can get a decent chart on it. Kind of get a quick view of it. I use the heck out of it, just to see what's moving for the day, what's outperforming Bitcoin on a weekly basis. So just keep that in mind. Use that CoinMarketCap.com. I think it's pretty resourceful. You can use that Coin Gecko or whatever. Also, I don't like it as good, but just my personal preference. But so anyway, I was going to share that with y'all, and so we'll catch y'all next time.